is one of the method to a presentation of given data, that is frequency polygon. Polygon name is suggested that polygon is the closed figure with n number of sides. Now frequency polygon is related to class mark. Now we find out first class mark and then take extra class of zero frequency and then join class mark to complete a polygon. First we check the classes are continuous, then mention x and y axis, then scale for both axes. Then we draw a kink mark, then find class mark and then take extra class with zero frequency and last join class mark to complete polygon. Now we have to understand why we take extra class. Now in frequency polygon there are two methods, with histogram and without histogram. So first we see the with histogram. Suppose this is our histogram ready. This is in a practice set 6.4 question number 2. In this we draw a frequency polygon. What we do? First draw a midpoint of each class. So that is class mark. So midpoint of this class is a 2.5. Midpoint of this class is 4.5. Then 6.5. Then 8.5. And last one is a 10.5. So this is the midpoint of these classes. So first we draw a midpoint. So 2.5 means here. Here is the midpoint of this class. Then here 4.5. Here 6.5, then here 8.5 and then 10.5. Then we draw a line and join these points. So with the help of scale, okay, so this is our polygon. So this is a complete polygon? No, this is not complete polygon. So we take extra classes with zero frequency. Suppose take here extra class. Here 11.5 means here 13.5. So this is our extra class. And class mark of this class is a 11.5. Sorry, 12.5. So this is a class marks of zero frequency. So we join here this last so this class is a zero frequency. Sorry, I join here. Okay, so this is our midpoint of this x-axis zero frequency. Now this side also, now we draw this side also extra. So we take a extra class this side. So then our class mark is here. This is a zero frequency. Always we take a extra class when we draw a frequency polygon. So now see, this is our complete frequency polygon and with the zero frequency. One zero frequency this side and one zero frequency that side. We start practice set 6.5. See the first example. Observe the following frequency polygon and write the answer of the question below it. So this is the frequency polygon. It's given in your textbook. Now here the x-axis, y-axis, here the mass given. So the x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 mass and y-axis here students 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. So question given, first question, which class has the maximum number of students? See, which class? Here the maximum number of students. So class here below 60 to 70. So 60 to 70 has the maximum number of students. So our first answer is a 60 to 70. Okay. Now what is the second question? Write the classes having zero frequency. So zero frequency here. Here class 20 to 30 and here 90 to 100. So two classes 20 to 30 and 90 to 100 have a zero frequency. Now third question. What is the class mark of the class having frequency of 50 students? So frequency of 50 students. Here frequency of 50 students. Class mark is a what? 55. So our answer is a 55 is a class mark of frequency 50 students. Now next one, fourth, write the lower and upper limit of the class whose class mark is 85. So class mark is 85, here 85. So upper and lower limit, that is the 80 and 90. 80 is a lower limit, 90 is a upper limit. So 80 and 90. This is our answer of fourth question. Now fifth, how many students are in the class 80 to 90? So this is the class 80 to 90. So how many students? 15. So how many students? 15 students in class 80 to 90. So this is our first question. We start the example number second. So solve the following data by frequency polygon. Here the data given classes, electric bill in rupees, and here frequency, that is the families. So first we find the class mark. So 0 to 200, class mark is a 100. So right here 100. Class mark of this 200 to 400, that is 300. Class mark 500, here 700, 900, and here 1100. Okay. Now we plot a point when 2 points, one is a x coordinate. X coordinate means here is a class mark and one is a y coordinate. So here is the y coordinate is a frequency or family. So here the first coordinate we write x means 100 and here y coordinates is a 240. Then next one 300, 300. Then here 500, 450. Here 700, 350. And here 900, 160, and here 1100 and 0. So this is our coordinate points. This point we plot in this measurement. Here is the y-axis, here is the x-axis. In x-axis, we take as a class mark as it is. So we directly take as a class mark. So here we write the first 100, then 300, here 500, 700, 900, and here 1100. Okay, so this is a scale on x-axis. This is origin. Now y-axis. Y-axis here the family. So we take a suitable, that is the 100 distance. So 100, 200, here 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. Okay, so now we write here scale. Scale on a x-axis, that is the 1 centimeter equal to how many? Here rupees. We directly take here a class mark, but here rupees how many? 200. So 1 centimeter equal to 200 rupees. Here is the difference 100 to 300. That is difference is a 200. Then we take a here y-axis. How many families? So 100 families. So 1 centimeter equal to 100 families. Okay. Now we plot the first point. 100 to 240. Here 100 and 240 is here 20 and upper that the 4 lines. So here 240. Okay. 240 on a y-axis. Then 300, 300. Here 300, here also 300. So here 300, here also 300. Okay. Then next 500 to 450. So here 500, 450 is middle line. So with the help of we plot a point here 450. Okay. Middle one. Then next 700, 350. Here 700 and 350 here middle of these 400 and 300. So here 350. Okay. Then 900 and 160. So here 200 and 100. So in 100 above that the 6 lines. So here we take a 160. Then 1100 and 0. So 1100 and 0, 0 in a. So we take a this point. Okay. So this is our points we plot. Now join this point, so complete the polygon. Here we join the points. Now here we now place the extra class. See, because less than 0 there is no number, so we cannot take a extra class this side. In here the class presiding the first class would be the minus. So presiding 0 to 200 means this side 0 to minus 200. So midpoint would be a minus 100. So but electricity bill cannot be negative. For convenience, the midpoint of the preceding rectangle is taken as 0. So we taken as here 0 is a midpoint. So this is our frequency polygon. Now we write the coordinate of point. So this is coordinate is 0, 0. Now first point is coordinate is 100, 240. Okay. Now next coordinate here is this 300, 300. Okay. Now this coordinate is a 500, 450. Coordinate of this point is a 700, 350. Coordinate of this point is a 900, 160. And last coordinate is a 1100 and 0. So this is our frequency polygon. We start third example. The following table shows the classification of percentage of marks of students and the number of students. Draw a frequency polygon from the table. So see here the table, class result in percentage, here the frequency, number of students. So here first we find out the class mark. So 20 to 30, class mark is a 25. Here 35, 45, 55, then 65, 75, 85, 95 and here 105. So this is our x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So our coordinate point 25 to 0, here 35 to 7, 45 to 33, here 55 to 45, then 65, 65, here 75, 47, 85, 18, 95, 5 and last 105, 0. Okay, so this is our coordinate point. Now on x-axis we plot this point. So on scale x-axis, that is the class mark. Directly draw the class mark. So result in percentage. So right here result in percentage. Okay, so here we difference between 20 to 30, that is the 10, but 0 to 20 difference is a 20. So we draw here a green mark. Okay, and leave the first class extra. Here we write the 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. Okay, so this is the result in percentage. Now in this y-axis, there is the scale is the number of students. So number of highest frequency is 65. So we take a difference, that is the 10. So here we write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. So this is a number of student. Right here, number of student. Okay. So scale on x-axis. Scale on x-axis is a 1 centimeter equal to 10%. Difference is a 10%. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. And y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. Okay. So we plot a first point, that is the 25 to 0. So here the 25 x-axis, y-axis 0. So this is our first point. Then next one 35 to 7. So 35 here and 7 below the 10. So here 7. Okay. Third last line. Then 45 to 33. 45 here and 33, 30 above the 3 lines. So we plot a point here. 30 above 3 lines. Okay, 45. Then 55, 45. Here the 55 and 45 middle line this 50 to 40. So here middle line. This is our next. 65, 65. Here 65 and 60, 70 middle line. That is the 65. Okay. So here 65. Then next one 75, 47. Here 75 and 47 here 52, middle of 50 to 40. So, sorry, 75 and 47. So 47 here, below the 50, 3 lines. So third last, that is the 57, sorry 47. Okay, this is the 47. Then 85, 18. So this is the 85 and 18 means between 10 and 20, the second last line. So 18 is a here. Okay, then 95, 5. 95 here and 5 the 0 to 10 between. So here 5. Okay, and then last one 105 and 0. So 105 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis. So this is our last one. So join these points. So we join our this frequency polygon. Now we write the coordinate. So here the coordinate 25, 0. Okay. So this point coordinate, that is 35, 7. Then this point coordinate 45, 33. Here the 45. Then 55, 45. Here 55, 45. Then the 65, 65. This one 65, 65. Then 75, 47. 75, 47. Here 85, 18. 85, 18. Okay. And then 95, 5. Here 95, 5. This point is a 95 and 5. And now last point is a 105 and 0. So we write here 105 and 0. This is the last point.